Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and with the holidays right around the corner, I thought I would make one of my favorite things to make for either Thanksgiving or Christmas. That will be Southern broccoli casserole. For that, I'm going to need 3 packages of frozen broccoli, about a cup of Ritz crackers crushed, a can of cream of chicken soup, a half a cup of mayonnaise, a half a stick of butter, 2 eggs, about a half a cup of onions, a good cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and a dash of salt and pepper. After the broccolis cook, assembly will be simple. We're going to pour our soup into a bowl, add our packages of broccoli that we have cooked in the microwave according to the packages. And once the soup is all stirred in, we'll be adding in our half a cup of mayonnaise, our onion, our eggs, and our melted butter, and be stirring that together thoroughly. And last but not least, when all that's thoroughly put together, we're going to stir in our crackers that we crushed up. And that was a whole cup of our Cheez-It crackers. Well, our casserole is put into our dish. It's 9 by 9. We've put our cheese on top. It's not called for in the recipe, but I like to crumble some cheese crackers on top of our casserole. And this will be going into our oven at 350 for the next 40 minutes. When our casserole comes out, it'll be nice and bubbly and melted, and we're going to let this set for the next 10 to 15 minutes until it reaches a nice room temperature for us. Okay, we've got our casserole all ready, and I can't wait to try it out. A little bit of everything. And let's go. Well, our broccoli casserole came out really creamy, and the crunchy cheese and crackers on top is just amazing. This is a great substitute for if you're sick of green bean casserole all the time during the holidays, or just want to mix it up and have it with it. Anyway, if you have any thoughts, tried it out, made it differently, know something I don't know, leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next video.